Yeah. Hey. So, this is my first butterfly knife or balisong video. This is done with a Lego balisong. I made it myself. So basically, I'm just gonna be practicing. So, yeah. As you can see, it does function pretty much like a butterfly knife. As you can see. Alright. So we're gonna do basic open and closes first. Usually I can Y2K, no problem. So I don't know if a lot of what I'm doing is actually tricks, like on a real knife or not. But if you know, let me know in the comments. On an 8-ball. Oh shit. Behind the 8-ball into an aerial. Oof, I can land it. The other hand. Yeah. So look, basically, when I do my weird opening, this is one that I don't know if it's an actual trick. 'Cause I know behind the 8-ball is a trick. I know that's a trick. I know Y2K aerial. That would hurt. That was slow. Why can't I do an aerial right now? Fuck it. But what I do is you roll it behind the index, catch it, bring back. No. Every time I try to actually do it, thinking about it, I fuck it up. That would have probably cut me actually, and that would have got fucked up on my thigh. And it fell apart. Okay, this video is probably going to be ended soon.
Hey, it's mom?
Yep. That one's weird too, because I mean that one is not weird, but that's just a way to transfer from holding it like this to holding it like this. So basically from holding it normal to do like a normal open and close to being able to do a Y2K open. So what you do is you open, you flick, pull it around, roll it off your index, and then pull it up. So it look like this. And then it goes around, and then you catch. Oof. And mind you, it is legitimately like 12:11 p.m. at night. Why don't you hit the? Oh no, a.m. It is currently Saturday. Femboy Friday is over. Come on, go down. We're not gonna fight that. Oof. Oof. Why can't I? What the? Come on. I don't think you guys saw the fucking buzz. Oh, I cut the blade. The reason I'm not using an actual trainer is because I don't actually have a trainer. All the tricks that I have learned were off of this knife. So my behind the 8-ball I learned on this knife. Y2K I learned on this knife. Actually, I learned Y2K on an actual trainer. But I gotta perfect it on this knife. Well, not perfect it, but I practice it with this knife. That was beautiful. I hope that got caught. Oof. Horrible. I hit my wrist on that one. Wow. Before this is long. Yeah. Yeah. It's your boy. See you.